Okay, hello guys, welcome back to Pneumatic Fan 2015. I don't expect anyone to watch this video as of now, but there's a new addition to my collection. Well, it's not a new edition really, it's got a little, it's alright though. If you can read that, I think you should really try to. Come on, focus. Well, no, you can't really read that, but it says 2.75 kilos. Pneumatic International HVR 200-22. Don't throw away battery, and just all the simple things like that. And then where I got it from, Cleaning Doctor, 5th Hoover. They must have had a few other Henrys, but okay, I'm only joking. Guys. It's just a little customization I did just for fun, really. I have these tubes, and I'll show you it on if you want. So it's good. So guys, sorry guys, I have a bit of a cold, but I forgot this was. That's nice. Let's put you back there to keep warming that up. So yeah, it's an okay Hoover. Not much to see really. It's a 2013 model. And yeah, that's really it. This is a second-hand hose. No, it's not really it. This is a second-hand hose I bought. Let me just. It has a few little. I'm sure I can get these out with hot water, but it has a few little dents and curves that you can't get out. But you know, what can you expect from a second-hand thing? But, yep, that's it.